Hi, my name is Frank Nana and I'm with TRICOR Systems Incorporated. Here at TRICOR we are excited about a brand new product called the Model 600 Imaging Spectrophotometer. This device, this single device, is capable of measuring reflective color, transmissive color, as well as radiated color. What are some examples of each of these? Well, reflective color is all around us. It can include things like consumer packaging, consumer products, painted products, raw materials, cosmetics, personal care products. In a flat presentation, textured, three-dimensional, it doesn't matter. The system can measure color, reflective color, for all these particular scenarios. Transmissive color. What's some examples of transmissive color? That can include things like backlit products, signs, displays, instrumentation overlays, to name a few. And finally, some examples of radiated color would include things like lighting fixtures or instrumentation panels. Okay, so those are a very few examples for a wide spread of applications that this single unit can be used for. In fact, the range of applications are so widespread that we have decided to create a series of videos, each designed to cover a specific measurement capability for a particular industry. In this video, I'm demonstrating a typical reflective color measurement scenario for the print industry. What would the print industry currently use to measure something like this? Well, they have a device called a spot spectrophotometer, or spot spectro. This device, there's hundreds of them, hundreds of different kinds on the market, capable of measuring color at a very specific point. The point may be, or a spot. The spot may be somewhere in the order of a 32nd inch diameter. Okay, so we're talking very small spots here. And what a printer would do, for an example like this, the customer would specify a handful of locations on their print in which they would use the spot spectro, and they go around and take specific measurements. Fill in a table, compare those results to an acceptable range or acceptable limits, and based on those handful of points, make the assumption that this print is in or out of spec. Or a printer also can use the color bars located at the bottom of a print, or on the edges of packaging. You'll find these. And that's where the printer can analyze these bars, these color bars, and infer or assume based on these color bars if this final print is in or out of specification. Okay, indirectly. With the Model 600, we don't use a spot. We have 1.2 million spots in which we're going to take a measurement. We don't need to analyze the color bar because we're looking at the final print itself. 100% area coverage. Our system will cover the entire surface in a single measurement and compare it to a master. And also generate a delta E mapping of the entire surface. Okay? So I'm going to go through an example. I'm going to walk you through an example, show you how easy the system is to use, how simple it is to create this mapping that I just talked about, and we're really excited. So I'll be right back. Let me set the system up, get it all ready for you, and I'll walk you through an example. Thank you.